Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Mary works in the factory until 5 p.m. Do the girls like football? That is my house. Tom is playing Call of Duty in his room. Mozart wrote over 600 pieces of music. We weren't allowed to enter the casino. Do they always cheat in the exam? This test is more difficult than the test we took last week. Yes, we have a cat. Our cat is not very old. Is that dog yours?